one name one, kedu, one name one, kedu, kedu kimere, adimumma, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, kedu kimere. Oya me talk we what put akukwa. Everybody think of this. What put akukwa? Look on me phone. Mepe iwa akwụkwọ nke iri ise na atọ iwa akwụkwọ nke iri ise na atọ ebe edere nri that is food nri means what food up to page 53 yes 53 bụ iri ise na atọ iri ise na atọ imepe ego ya. Have you opened the place? Are you there?
Abacha.
These children are catching up. Imepe ego ya. So
it's bread. Oh, bread. Abacha. Abacha is abacha.
come on, because
see, why don't we have any English?
I'm going to say, you have to do it at break. You may be open at break.
59.
You may be on a break. I'm going to make it.
We are going
okay. Oh yeah, Gent means listen. Gent means what? Listen. But so on page 53, Igahu, Ebedre. Nri means what?
water.
Nri means what?
Food.
Nri means food. Food means what? Food means what? Yes. That's what we call food in English.
I don't
And we call it food. Okay,
Mommy.
so in Kembo, the first food you said there is bread.
Bread.
Bread is what? Bread is what?
Akita.
Bread is what? Then you see conference. Conference is called what?
Irioka.
Huh?
Irioka.
Hey!
Irioka.
Did I put you in the okay? Nrioka, not Nrioka. Nrioka, come on, chop where?
Irioka.
Nrioka.
Irioka.
Nrioka.
Irioka.
Don't they call it Nrioka? Because that person, do you know why? Because you are still calling this letter A, but it's not A. When you stop calling it A, that is when you will start getting it. Start calling it A because that is what it is in Igbo language. It is called A, not A. It is in English language that is called A, but in Igbo A, and it was sound A. Do you understand? That okay, that's why you're not speaking. So start calling it A. So that is Nrioka. Then plantain. You see plantain? Plantain. Jioko. Then swallow and soup is what? Wait. Ugonna. Utara. Nah. Abi, swallow and soup. Oh yeah. Pronounce it for me.
Tell them that the water is dropping.
You see, you said ne instead of a, na. Not of, it's not e, it's not a, it's a. It's not a. Okay. You are still having
So, Mom, E and A are
a, in English is A in Igbo. Do you understand? E in English is A in Igbo.
In
I think
Igbo,
that there's God now.
in
right?
Igbo, in English, your letter A is sounds word.
Can you spell it? You write it for them. That's how they are doing it.
Ego Naya.
If you want to get forward,
Yes.
Ego Naya in
give me first
English.
marker too.
Ego Naya. In English, letter A sounds what? A.
Mhm.
That A is how Igbo we call letter A. A in Igbo is A. Then E
In Igbo,
in
letter E
Igbo is A. Okay?
A in Igbo is A, then E in Igbo.
in English.
In Igbo.
E
In
in
Igbo
English.
is what?
E in English is A. Do you understand?
Ego Naya.
E in English
It's
is
so
A in Igbo.
Ọnụ ma ihe ọ na-ekwu. N'ọnụ na-agbara ọ na-ekwusi E in Igbo, letter E in Igbo bụ A. Ọ ihe ọ na-ekwu.
It's wrong now. Letter E in Igbo
Bụ A.
Okay, yes.
G is yam.
You're wrong. So confusing me. Letter E in Igbo is from A. Letter E in Igbo in English is I. Letter E in Igbo is I.
I.
Yes. Let her
I know
Ị
it.
na-aghọta ihe anyị na-ekwu.
No, letter E in Igbo is I.
You are saying letter E in English. The sound
in
is
Igbo.
I. I want to go into letter E in Igbo. Akwa A ka anyị na-akpọ E na Igbo. Okay, gịnị bụ A na Igbo? Gịnị bụ E na
A
Igbo?
in Igbo is
Letter E in
I.
Igbo is I. It's I.
I thought it was
What do you mean?
What can hear you?
It's Igbo. I thought it only was M. No, A. No, it's not India. No, it's not India. No, who confused that you are saying A?
This is a brother in the matter now. This is E in Igbo. This is E in Igbo. This is A in Igbo. In Igbo. You're saying in Igbo. Remember you're saying in Igbo.
It's not Igbo. Igbo, not Imam. Anytime that Igbo, not Igbo. So it is I.
Yes, E is I. E in Igbo is I in English. Okay, so plantain is
I.
Joko.
Yoko.
Plantain beginning.
Yoko.
Swallow and soup.
Utarana.
Ego Naya.
Utarana ofe. Utarana
Ofe.
Utarana ofe.
I thought you said
Repeat after me. Utarana ofe.
Utarana.
Utarana ofe. Do you have one?
Utarana ofe.
Okay. Then, hey, listen.
Yam.
Yam.
G.
Yam is what?
G.
Be looking into your food.
G.
Yam.
G.
Yam.
G.
Cassava.
G. Aqua.
Cassava.
G. Aqua.
Let me know who will get it. Cassava is what?
G. Aqua.
G.
Aqua.
G apple. G apple. Unachapoya.
Me.
G apple. Repeat after me. G apple.
G. Apple.
G apple.
G. Apple.
G apple.
Apple.
So drink. Drink. Mmanya. Mmanya. Water. Water. Mmiri. Not imiri. Mmiri. Water. Water. Mmiri. Mmiri. Water. Beans. Agua. Beans.
Agua.
Beans.
Agua.
Oh, beans.
Agua.
Moi moi.
Moi.
Okay.
My is my boy. No, my is. Okpa is Okpa. They say Okpa. Have you writing now?
No.
My boy is my boy. No, my boy is my. I don't know to spell it.
No, everybody. This is A in English, is it not? And in Igbo, it's the same thing, but we call it A. Do you understand? We call it A. This is E in English, and it's the same thing in Igbo, but we call it A. Okay.
You said E was I.
No. This is I in English. In Igbo, it's still I, but call it E. This I. This E. This E in Igbo is I in English. I what I say. Huh? It's F. It's still F, but we call it E.
Yes.
This F, this F.
Like what they
This
call
A, this A, this A, this E, this A, this I, this E.
I did this one before.
Huh?
I did this one.
Okay. Let's
What is
continue.
egg in Igbo? I thought it was aqua.
So, gini bu moi moi n'Igbo.
Moi.
Ọkpa bụ ọkpa. That is ọkpa. No English name because that is Igbo food. Ọkpa.
What about moi?
Moi moi is moi moi.
My boy is my boy because it is made from
Moi moi is moi moi. Ọkpa is ọkpa.
because it is made from the
Fio. No fio. Our expression at the end. Fio. Aga m judge you ask question. And that question is my exam. So egg is what? Egg. Class, egg is what? Aqua. Egg. Aqua.
Acha.
4. 5. Moi. Yes, number 1. Don't look at your book. Number 5. No, I'll be counting for you. 1. 2. Akara. 2. Okpa. Number 3. Miri. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Pause. Number 4. Okpa. Is it not that you're talking about? Good. Number 5. Aqua is it? It will flow. It's not flow. It's pure. Oh, but oh my God. Where did that come from?
And sorry, I want to for on Indians and
Then the number 1. Number 1. Miri. Number 2. Opa. Number 3.
It's empty like my name.
Number 3. Akara. Number 4. Number 4. If you are done answering, if you answer something, please start coloring. Number 4.
Coloring what? Oh.
Number 4. Ori akonye na asago. Number 5. Okay. Is that chago? Cheranu ga anu. Unu ga anu. Oh.
Well, when you're done answering questions.
Desire. Drop it. Praise. Drop it. Àwọn onye ọbụla bụ ndị nzachago na ajụjụ. Olisadebe, oya,
Aqua, okay. Number 5. Number 5. Many words. You know 2 letters in Igbo. You know me in Igbo. They know me in Igbo.
But we should do everything. Or not.
Just ask for
oh, teacher.
fish is azụ. Fish is azụ. Okay. Number 1. Azụ. Number 2. Mmiri water. Number 3.
Mmachi.
Number 4.
Desire, drop it. Drop it. We'll tell you how to color it. Drop it.
You know me? You know me? Number 5. Give me 1. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ otu. Abadago. Oya.
Ozioma.
Weta nkacha gị bido na
Chere na nwa azabe. Ọzabe. Olisadebe.
Oya.
Lot of people anyị.
Kpọpụta nri ise ị maara. Mention 5 you know. Number 1. Osikapa. Wow, osikapa is what? Right, good. Number 2. G is what? Yeah, good. Number 3. Moi is? Moi. Number 4. Azu is what? Number 5.
The one you ate yesterday.
Mmiri is what?
Mmiri, gịnị bụ mmiri?
Good. Ọrụ onwe gị aka. Okay.
Anyị nwere onye ọhụrụ, sịnụ ya nnọọ. Ndị oche. Ezi enyi m.
Kedu ezi enyi m? Kedu ezi enyi m? Kedu ka ị mere?
Nnenna.
Kedu Nnenna? Kedu Nnenna? Kedu ka ị mere? Adị m mma, daalụ. Adị m mma, daalụ. Adị m mma, daalụ. Kedu ka ị mere?
Cha-cha-cha, Igbo kwenu. Give me that. No, we'll give you the video. Look, video. She wants to see the video. Hi, baby. Come and sit down.
Then
What can I say? Go there, who are these people? What are they? Who are these?
Achọrọ m ka anyị bụrụ ndị mmadụ a na-efe na-akpọ aha na
Mom, color my book.
I just gave you.
This is my book.
Praise. Ọ dị ka nke gị ka nke ego nna ya ka nyere gị. Ego nna ya atụzila akwụkwọ inye nwanne gị nwaanyị. Ị chọrọ inye nwanne gị nwaanyị akwụkwọ ya, inye ya ka onye ị hụrụ n'anya. Enyere ya akwụkwọ otu ahụ. Oh, don't give your sister her book like that. Give her her book the right way. Don't throw it.
Mommy, Nanya.
Well, I already started coloring for me.
Unu coloring. Unu akpọ aha the thing. Kpọọ aha ihe na-aka. Oh, when you are coloring, you call the name. Bring. Let me show you. Give me your color. Then, achicha bread. You can name it achicha bread. Achicha bread. Achicha bread. Don't you hard in an achicha bread.
Mom, how can I color this?
Abacha.
Why coloring abacha? Is there color that you have got two? Is there our
Oh yeah, bring your two. So as you are doing, bring back your color. That's your color. So God will do it.
Okay, now my water now.
Oh yeah. So as you are doing it, achicha. This one.
David, the YouTube. Now I check out my phone.
So you are turning our song into another style. Going to sing to your wife.
Color it anyhow, that's what you said. Color it Oh no! This was That's color abacha anyhow. That's my type to color abacha. So look how me I colored my own abacha. My own abacha is just yellow.
Make sure you have
You want to put water inside it. Someone to big it. Close it. Nothing yummy now. Me, I don't drink it. Give it to me now. Then, when you make ever, when you open your, she should do this side. Why you do this side? Why would she stretching her hand here and you are doing this one. You are supposed to do this. Let she do this. Finish up. Make a prayer. Finish this one. Ozema, finish up with this. So when you turn, she do this and you do this and she do this and you do this and okay? Good. Yeah, Mira. I want to.
Also, Matthew, I don't.
And go stand up to come and tell me one more time. Go there to take the water.
Matthew just said I could finish this one there. I want to go to the next school. You do this one, I do this. Look at my hand. What? What you are just doing now? I'm just going to do it now. Why were you doing that? Do the sound. I don't know why we're doing that. Oh no. No looking at the color. No. Tell the color is different. Don't stop it. I don't know how. I'm scared. We have a sister. Yeah, look at it. Look at it. Look at the tree. Look about them. They don't have their own book. They are using the same book.
Machi, and I hear not catch it. Get a boy. Rice, not to see you again. So you know, catch a name, put Pussy Kappa, Pussy Kappa, Pussy Kappa.
Where you guys? That page? I'm still here. Wait. I'm going to catch up. Wait. Yellow. Yellow. Go for sky. How many colors those? Please, I'm this for you. Let's see this. I'm paying. I don't think
It's only you don't choose. It's only you don't choose word that I'm hearing. I'm pronouncing what she's doing. Others I'm not hearing you. Just stop and making noise.
No. Who needs red? I have red.
Joko.
I think mine will be red.
Joko.
Look, I'm doing my red.
You can't find your red. You wear a red. You can't.
I don't have to do anything.
Okay.
I can do this one.
But
have
color
yeah,
green
yeah, I
too.
have
The colors were not complete.
Look, I'm in Kupan too. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, now let me get brown. I'm gonna get it brown.
Yeah. You will keep making. You just make
Like this.
You want to do it together. And I prefer you do it when she do it. I'm going to put a green. Green.
So, Mom, does this really look like? Mom, does this really look like flag?
Yeah.
Now, mine does not look like roasted plantain. Yeah, this one looks like roasted plantain. It doesn't look like fried plantain at all.
Then in a Kanya.
This will be the roasted of wine. Look, another. You see there? How is Gary orange? No, I used it's not brown. There's no meat.
It's the real
It's not sleep. God, you have to add like before you do that. Now just
Not put any green for the veggies. Green and red.
I just thought I could do yellow.
Come and see.
Just red. Don't press your color. Look, I can't do my own. Oh, it looks nice. Mom, this one is meant to be red. This is literally red oil.
Ikachago, yes. Ikachago,
Don't care. I'm not saying don't
You have to
care.
do. Why is your own color like
I
this?
don't know. I don't know.
Are you sure this is not for someone else?
Okay, I don't have. I don't.
Okay, yeah,
That's
but
for her.
Okay, my
apart from that, everything here.
Mom, how does this look like? Oh, this actually looks like a shop.
Apa namu mam? Apa namu mem? Mom, onye nkuzi. Onye nkuzi su onye nkuzi. Apa namu mem? Bro mem. I know na Igbo summer camp. Mom, onye nkuzi. Esi anu a etie. No, leave it. This one is on. No.
But this one needs shade of orange. This one, apart.
You know if you go California.
Yeah, this is also I need pure white.
No, pure white won't show because
It don't show. The book is white already. Okay.
Don't use the white. So I have to use it.
You will give him one. Can you not get This person
Second
doesn't
is it what's that you are
is
calling?
it the food that is Igbo summer camp?
I don't know. Mention the name of the food you are coloring, not
Igbo
Igbo
summer
summer.
camp.
Give it to her.
Igbo summer camp.
G.
It's carnival. I know.
He brings water to the table. You poured water here. See your book. See your book. Totally wet.
Not me. I didn't ask for any water.
Okay.
It was your sister who asked for water.
From today, nobody drops water on the table. As I collected the water today, once you come to the class, you sip the one you want to sip, you drop your bottle there. So you have
on
your
the
book,
ground.
not on the floor.
Please, Obi, fast.
There.
2 minutes to go.
2 minutes to go.
2 minutes. I don't color anything.
Police and the
Color something.
I'm eating moi for me. That color is yellow.
Oh, don't put your pencil now.
I want another color. I want another color. And I have there's another pure white.
You know me what? You know what? Look at the different seal. Look at this color. It died like this. That this one is more white. That this one is lighter. But where do the color? Because color is not a color. What do you mean?
Obasarali. Yes. I
Hey, you!
I can't go to. Thank you. I'm going to school because
Mosha, you can't be. You can't be. You can't be.
Can't believe that I'm not giving. Can't believe that I'm not giving.
this is not the same thing. No.
There's no squash chicken here. There's square chicken here.
Where is the chicken? Where is the chicken?
Oh, chicken.
Oh, please. Anyway, that is good. I don't give you another shade on me, right?
Just like this, you don't take it out.
Now look at the difference of
Broccoli and
I'm gonna drink that too.
fine.
Yeah, I
Look at the camera.
Which one are you coloring now?
I just need some.
Boy, and that's the symbol. Gini gina kacha.
I just need
Gini ba ha gina kacha.
Now I just need one bit of bread.
It's not Joko. It's Joko.
But that was the
Yeah, you try. Well good.
Hey, my color. Shade of white. What is it? The actual color that we actually use.
Oh, that's your color that you actually use.
Which is actually
Which is actually
orange. I want to get orange.
Orange.
Gini bu orange. Gini bu orange. Gini bu orange. Udochukwu gini bu orange. Oroma inugo ya. Inugo ya. Oroma.
I always need white for everything. White is the color shaded.
Shaded in a bed.
See, when
Shaded in a bed. Onye ka akụkọ. Hapụ gị hapụgo gị na-eme na ndị ọzọ. Ị na-eme ka akwụ ụkwụ a na-ekwu. Oya, kacha nwanne nke a. Okwu ele nke what do you want?
Yes, sir.
You said 3 and 2, right? Yeah.
Hi, Grace. First, you take your vitamin C, right? Your gummy. How many should you take?
Color, kachawani na kachawani.
Ole?
Ole. Ịchọrọ mmiri. Nye ụmụaka m ebe a nụwa. Ọ bụrụ bụ ụmụaka. Mami ego na ya na-eme. Yeah, that one.
Ụmụaka anyị bụ ndị a bụ mmanụ. Ego nna ya na-ege mmadụ ọgwụgwa. Ego nna ya.
I'm doing this again.
I'm fine. Why? Really nice coming.
This is one.
Gịnị bụ ihe a? Ihe a nwa. Gịnị bụ ihe a?
Of fluff.
Oh, no, fluff. Oh, fio.
It's an Igbo food. Very Igbo food. Good Igbo food.
Healthy food.
Very healthy.
Fear, it tells you.
Yeah.
It's not junk food. If it is
Junk.
junk food is chicken. Protein. Chicken is protein. Chicken is burger. Burger, jug. Hot dog, jug. Ice cream, jug. Apple, junk. Hey!
No.
Hey! No! Apple is healthy food. It is protein. No, it is not protein. It is enough.
Gịnị bụ agwana mmadụ dịkwa ị na-anụ aya si ya ndo say her sorry say I'm sorry.
Sorry?
No, not sorry. Say I'm sorry.
I am sorry.
Good. Don't stop someone up, okay?
No, it's me. One, two more pages of transform.
Gini mo
I'll go
ka?
ahead of you guys.
Gini mo yan?
Stop, I'm
Stop
just
gini.
I never know why you are running all these things. That's why I look like a musician. Are you sure you're not being copied? You see, I'm
Okuchukwu, Isike, Madana
a
Manu.
very nice sound. Like
Madana Manu.
you go come out.
Elagi naka. Ikacha gan. Elagi nakacha. Joko, Isike.
Who took my bag? I where am I writing a rainbow? Man, it's going to be possible to color a whole fish, leaf, everything.
That's impossible.
See, mom is on impossible.
That is impossible. Impossible for my teacher.
I want to sign out to get to this one.
Then how did you color this
I
one?
have to get to this one.
That is not that impossible. Look at color. Look at
Why? I don't tell you.
No,
I don't tell you.
Where will you tell him? It's not by the gate.
Yeah.
So you said you want to come to
I'm telling you that. I've been thrown down.
now I need
Go for
your
us 20 minutes.
Mom, how many more minutes do we have on Igbo class end?
Azanaya.
Finish.
Finish your work.
I'm done.
You're not done. Azugi, Kachagoe.
And I like this your Joko.
Over mine.
You are happy.
Amaka. Lagi marah-marah. It's fine. Let go.
What about this soup?
Don't you
Mom, what about
your
this
fig
soup?
here?
What about this soup? No, I said you.
You need paint.
Paint,
Okay,
not paint.
get your paint.
Can't buy things myself. I have paint at home.
You can bring it for him.
Thank you. Please get it.
I not at home. I prefer this hotel.
Don't worry, just leave it like that.
What's your man and matching? Una Kachago.
Oh no, I'm going to get boom.
So you live here?
I am here. That's how they do in fish.
That's
Oh,
Mexico.
Mexico. Get ready to be
Igbo summer. Everybody know. I know now. Igbo summer. Everybody know. I know now.
Igbo summer. He said king. He said king. He said king. Yeah. He said king. He said king.
You cover your book.
Wait, stop. Don't use your crayon to touch his clothes. Don't do that. Why using crayon to stain to touch his clothes? Stop it. Osiama na mmachi. I don't know make am. You're not supposed to. Mechi akwụkwọ gị. Finally, I can go to my water. I'm done.
Okay, Thank you. What kind of microwave did you grill? What kind of grill did you use?
Now let me take the tray. You bunty. If I were you, I would throw it away in the trash.
Oh.
I'll make a new one.
Oh.
I'll just finish what I done.
Thank you.
Yes, finish it yourself. Finish it yourself. If you don't finish it yourself, you're not my way. That means you're That means
Your dog will just follow you if the dog will just scratch you.
Yeah,
No, my dog.
that is just wasting food. Nadia, why do you eat that?
Or you feed it to a nearby. Or you feed it to a nearby.
Go and sit down.
Or maybe you can give it to a lion to eat.
Shut up.
Mama, don't eat my work today. I will write it.
They've told you that their own fish got born.
It's fun.
Their fish got born.
Yeah, but they don't know that
You
it's
guys-
funny. If it was
Hear
fun,
that
I'll
thing.
still eat
I'll
it.
make
You will see it.
Yes.
The cock and a total carrier is the one that is sweeter.
You
But
for me,
But
but anything,
Mom.
anything.
Sometimes I'm eating burnt jollof rice.
Yes.
You got some pot of jollof rice.
Yes.
One pot. The bottom pot. Oh yeah, guys. You must delay she she wear a chicha and I have a rock. Yes, now. I am tasty.
Anything that
A chicha party.
If you eat all this food in Igbo,
Okay, uno.
plus
Jollof. You go party jollof. Okay. Are you cooking it? As a food, you catch I didn't say she. Thank you. You just massage your
Thank you for massaging my hand. It's a dog, pack it. You want them on bed? Please, follow the chicken. Onions is
Prince, ego nna ya. Iri ni nkịta anụ abụ ihe ndị ọzọ riri o. Ama m ebe ike nke gị
I want to go do something that you got
Oh, you want to cook it? Telling you sick. Telling you sick.
I really need someone.
Oh, you telling me no. You want to watch them? Yeah.
Oh, to continue what I was doing. Let me see my mom.
Yes, okay.
In the morning.
She brought you back.
Everyone na bia ba o kana hu ga anya.
Leave me. That door. No, sit down. Get yourself.
Okay. Where you are? You not over.
Yes.
Get down.
Na akwụkwọ gị na ihe dị n'akwụkwọ gị. Only God. Okay, give a prayer. There, Abby.
Look how bad I can't stop. I told you I can't stop.
Stand up.